पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदी भाषण करतायत. आपण थेट जाऊया.
נרנדרה מודי לשאת דברים, בבקשה.
His Excellency Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, His Excellency Mr. Amir Ohana, Speaker of the Knesset, His Excellency Mr. Yair Lapid, Leader of the Opposition, Honorable members of the Knesset, my dear sisters and brothers, Shalom. Namaste. Honorable members, it is a privilege and an honor for me to stand before this distinguished house. I do so as the Prime Minister of India and also as a representative of one ancient civilization addressing another. I bring with me the greetings of 1.4 billion Indians and a message of friendship, respect, and partnership. I thank you, Mr. Speaker, for your kind invitation and for your wonderful gesture of lighting up the Knesset in Indian colors. Your visit to India 3 years ago was the first by a Speaker of the Knesset, and thanks to you, I am the first Prime Minister of India to address this august gathering.
तर या भाषणामध्ये पंतप्रधान कुठले महत्त्वाचे मुद्दे मांडतात यावर आपलं लक्ष असेल. तूर्त पुढच्या रिपोर्टकडे वळूया. खिशाला परवडणारा आणि वेळ वाचवणारा प्रवास म्हणून मुंबईकर लोकल प्रवासाला पसंती देतात. मात्र हाच लोकल प्रवास सध्या मुंबईकरांच्या जीवावर उडतोय. कल्याणवरून बदलापूरच्या दिशेने जाणाऱ्या लोकलमध्ये असाच प्रकार घडलाय. वादामुळे